Isaiah 41 verse number 10. Fear not, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. His right hand is the one that will uphold you. Shukuthi amandla akhe ephela kungathi ukuthi uyawa phansi is a sign of being exhausted. Will uphold you with his righteous right hand. Wena ukhathele unjalo, faint, weak, dirty sometimes. With his righteous right hand, he will hold you up and cause you to stand. uNkulunkulu onjani lo ongakhathali? Uzothi ngizoba nawe. Ungesabi. Ngizoba nawe. Ungakhathazeki. Ngokuba nginguJehova. Ngizokupha amandla. Uthi yebo, ngizokusiza. Ngizokwaphula ngesandla sami sokunene. Verse number 14 uthi fear not. Zothile, I will help you. Uzophinda into eyodwa kuyichapter eyodwa. Shukuthi nje lolu sizo lu available and it's for you and I. Ulokeshilo nje uthi ngizokusiza. Ngikhona. Ngizokubamba ngesandla sami. Yabona la amandla akhe phela khona. Mina ngizokupha amasha. Ingakho ethi ku verse 10 I will strengthen you. But I will help you. But I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isandla esinjani lesi? I'm just so blessed. Ukwazi ukuthi ngizosizwa. Ukuthi ngingasabi. Ukuthi ngi-approach different spaces. Ngingene ngigcwale. My presence ifile that place. Because I'm just a woman that is helped by God. I know about me. Ukuthi ngisizelwe uNkulunkulu ngeke ngicredit to me. It is the righteous right hand of God that has